What's up guys, welcome back to the MixedSid channel where we do drinks, cocktails and mocktails and anything in the imagination. And today's one is a nice and quick and easy one really. It's just a Kopparberg mixed fruit slush. And today this alcoholic slush guys, just pour in your Kopparberg mixed fruit. Now crack open the can guys and then just pour it in with the ice. Put your lid on, let's blend right into it. And there you go guys, that is one Kopparberg mixed fruit slush, perfect for summer on this beautiful sunny days in May. How does it taste? Well, we already know how it tastes, it's beautiful. It is absolutely perfect. And there you go, and if you're a cider lover, I'd highly recommend making one of these. Nice and easy, just put in your ice in your blender and put in your Kopparberg and there you go. You got a Kopparberg slush, nice and there it is, a nice perfect alcoholic slushy for nice warm days like today. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the MixedSid for more cocktail videos like this. And I will see you in the next cocktail video. Cheers.